And here comes the fun part. This course comes with a complete case study, which is composed of 4 parts and will allow you to exercise in practice what you've learned in the lessons you have just seen. Each part of the case study is easy to distinguish in the course curriculum. You can find the necessary files in the download section. Then, once you download them, you can solve them on your own. The best way to do it is to solve each part of the case study after you have completed the respective chapter. Then you can save your files in Dropbox and share with us a link. It would be best if you post the link in the course discussion forum. Then we will be able to download and review the files you worked on, and we'll send you our complete solutions, plus personal feedback. By completing the case study, you will be eligible for a second free gift. And you will be able to participate in our monthly Amazon gift card lottery. Sounds great, right?